there, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're trying to add style to your bathroom or your kitchen, check these soap dispensers out. These 2-pack glass soap dispensers with a pump by Volisnova have made everything look so clean and pretty. I really love these white bottles with gold pumps. These are super functional. You can choose to use them in your kitchen or in your bathroom. I love that the labels are waterproof. You can even use them in the shower. They look super elegant and I love their minimalist look. Volisnova company thought of everything. These come with 8 labels. It comes with a funnel. I love how practical and easy it is to put the sticker on the dispenser. This dispenser is made out of glass. It's a thick glass. You can feel the quality right away. So if you're looking for the perfect gift, definitely check these out. They come in other colors as well. Using these soap dispensers has made everything look way neater and prettier. I highly recommend them, and that is my point of view.